Hey family, welcome back. Now in the last video, we went ahead and determined what parts we needed. I ordered parts and everything and got all that stuff sorted out. This video, we're gonna do a little bit of prep. I don't like to work on things when they're dirty. It may sound strange, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it kind of semi-cleaned up and get some air in the tires and stuff and take it apart and we'll take it from there. But see, I'm gonna show you what we're working with here. See, it's got like all the surface dust and stuff all over the place. I'm gonna show you how I get it off, which is no big deal, but I just feel better with everything being nice and clean. But we're gonna get all this stuff off, and I'm gonna go underneath here and kind of get all that stuff out. I think maybe just kind of psychological, but I'm gonna get some air in the tires and get all the cobwebs off. See the cobwebs on it and stuff, and get everything going for you guys. But once again, I appreciate you guys following me, and please hang along to the end till we get this thing running, and I'm gonna have a good time with it. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting it cleaned up. I know. It seems a little anal, but this is what I'll be using. I'll be using the Ryobi blower with a nice little duster and this heavy duty brush here. But let's get started, guys.
One eternity later.
Now that a lot of all the cleaning stuff's out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and air the tires up and see if the tires will actually hold some air. Hopefully they will. But then after that step, we'll go ahead and start tearing it apart and get on to the good stuff. I can't wait, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on the front tire. As per the specifications, it requires 10 PSI. These things have been flat for probably about 9 years. I hope they don't look dry rotted, but here goes nothing. Let's see. Let's get it plugged in. Now the gauge on this is a little bit off, probably about 2 pounds off. So I got it set right now to 12 on the gauge, but which is actually going to be 10 in here. So we'll go ahead and see how it holds out. That's pretty much all we can do for right now. Just hang in there. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the tires. Go ahead and do the rear tires. Rear tires are 14 PSI. Let's go ahead and get it going. I pretty much got it set up to my standards before I actually start taking it apart and working on it. I know it sounds a little bit anal, but I wanted to get it kind of, you know, cleaned up a little bit. I got the tires all aired up. The seat is nice and clean. Tail lights are all cleaned off and stuff. It looks like it's in running condition, although it's not yet. But one thing I want to do is go ahead and check the oil. Because remember, this thing's been sitting for 9 years and it's actually 18 years old. So this is crazy. But let's look at this. I'm gonna change the oil anyway, but let's go look at what this oil looks like in this thing. I think I changed it one time a long time ago. Let's see what we got. Look at that oil. It's not even dirty. It's crazy. Not even dirty, man. Let's see if I can get a level check on it. It's crazy. Looking back on it, it's amazing how much money I've wasted back in the day. But it all comes back around because I get this thing going again. We can give it to my grandson. Yeah, look at that. The oil level, it's good. It's got a good oil level. Hey, that's crazy. Now, before I start taking it apart, there's one other thing I want to show you guys, which I think is crazy. I forgot to point this out earlier, but I do have an hour meter on it. Here's the hour meter, and it only has, let's see if we can zoom in on it. This thing only has 10.3 hours on it. With that being said, guys, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one, which is really going to be fun because we're going to tear this thing down and start installing the parts. See ya!